Most of the machines with which we are familiar must be replicated by external means. The body, on the other hand, replicates itself through the reproductive system. In the female, the reproductive system consists of the uterus, the ovaries, and the fallopian tubes. The reproduction of a human body begins with two reproductive cells, called gametes: an egg or ovum contributed by the female, and a sperm contributed by the male. It's the job of the reproductive system to produce the gametes, bring them together in the female body, nurture the unborn baby as it develops, then give birth. The process of bringing the two gametes together is called conception. Prior to conception, the reproductive system of the female prepares itself for action. This process is known as the menstrual cycle.
The menstrual cycle usually is approximately every 21 to 35 days. And the purpose of it is to prepare the uterus for implantation of an egg. It is started by hormones in the brain, in the pituitary gland, which stimulate the ovaries to cause development of an egg. Actually, each month, several eggs start to develop, and then one of them becomes what we call the dominant follicle or the dominant egg, and that one continues to develop while the others regress. There's an interplay between the ovary and the pituitary gland. The ovary, as the egg is developing, produces estrogen, which feeds back on the pituitary gland and at some point triggers the release of a hormone called luteinizing hormone, which causes the egg to be released. That usually occurs about 14 days before the start of the actual period itself. After release of the egg, the ovary produces other hormones besides estrogen. It produces progesterone to further mature the lining of the uterus and prepare it for implantation of the egg.